The National Ploughing Championships will take place in Rathneska, County Laois. For all those travelling to the event, please allow additional journey time. Gardaí are advising motorists to identify and follow the traffic management plan for your best route to the event. Follow directional signage en route and to the car parks. Follow the instructions of Gardaí and stewards along the route. Traffic travelling from the west on the N80 will proceed to Mountmellick town. Approaching the town, traffic will take a left onto the L20972 at Bayeux Road, continuing on this road to take a right onto the R423. Traffic will join the R422 and travel as far as Kennel's Cross, Emo, County Laois. At Kennel's Cross, traffic will turn right onto R419 and travel forward to the R445 Old Dublin Road, turning right and proceed towards Portlaoise. Portlaoise traffic will turn left for approximately 200 metres onto the R425, travelling forward onto N80 and proceed to Dysart, where it will turn right onto a one-way system along the L6772 as far as Rathneska village. Traffic will proceed to parking beside the event grounds. Patrons travelling this route will park in the designated green car parks just beside the event grounds at Rathneska. Again, Gardaí are advising motorists to follow the traffic management plan and your specific route. Follow all directional signage and instructions from Gardaí and stewards to the event car parks. Allow additional journey time and please do not use your sat-nav. For more information on all routes to the event, visit npa.ie.